Write the equation of the quadratic in standard form that has a vertex of 1, 2, and passes through the point 3, negative 6. So if we know the vertex already, we should be able to put it in vertex form. Remember, vertex form is f of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k. And so my h and my k are right there, h, k. So I should be able to plug them in. F of x equals a times x minus 1, because remember those are opposites, squared plus 2. Well, that's everything I need to know except for I don't know what this a value is. But I do know another ordered pair that I can plug into the equation to find that a value. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to replace f of x, that's an x and an f of x up there. Replace f of x with negative 6 equals a times my x value that I know, my additional x value that I know is 3 minus 1 squared plus 2. And now I just solve this. So I move the 2 to the other side. I get negative 8 equals a times 3 minus 1 squared. 3 minus 1 squared is 2 squared, which is 4. So I've got 8 equals a times 4. Divide both sides by 4. A equals negative 2. So my function in standard form is f of x equals negative 2 times x minus 1 squared plus 2. That's it. Alright, then the last problem. Okay. If we want to find the maximum or minimum value of the function, there's 3 ways that I can do it. Number 1, okay, I can use a graphing calculator. We have them, we know how to use them. Okay, if you look for the analyze graph in the menu on the Inspire, there's a thing that says max or min, and you just follow the directions from there. Okay, that's the easiest way to do it, but it sometimes gives you a decimal answer, and we don't always like decimals. Next, if we're in standard form or vertex form, f of x, a times x minus h squared plus k. The vertex is at the point h, k. And so that's my maximum or minimum point. We know that the vertex is the highest or lowest point, so that is the max or min. And we just have to decide if a is greater than 0, it's a minimum because it's going up. And if a is less than 0, it's a max because it's going down. So it would look like that or like that. And then you would just tell me if it's a max or a min. Okay? And then general form, remember general form is f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. This is the one that some of us have probably forgotten. Okay? We find the x value of the vertex using the formula x equals negative b over 2a. So that gives me the x value of the vertex, and then the y value of the vertex we just plug it into our function f of negative b over 2a. So whatever we get up here for x, you plug it in for y, and you solve. And then once again, we look back at our, if a is greater than 0, it's a min. If a is less than 0, it's a max. And that's how we decide whether our vertex is a maximum or minimum value. And then that's it. That's everything we need to know about quadratics. We will talk more. I will answer any questions you guys have in class. We'll go over some practice problems, and you guys will have a chance to do your homework.